Well, markets are set to snap a 3-day losing streak and close higher today. We've had better trade data while healthcare stocks also did well. Now we're joined by Derek Orth from Brendan E. Cryan. Derek, aside from the better economic data, how else might we explain the more positive sentiment that we're seeing in markets today?
Well, technically, we were looking at some certain price support levels in the SPX last week, around 1825. We got to around 1830, got around 1825 briefly and rallied and held, followed through a little bit there. Same, I was looking at the certain sector. I was looking at the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index. I was watching the 525 level on that. We got down on that briefly yesterday, closed underneath it, pushing back up above it again. The components in that sector is they're acting really well today, and that's just kind of spreading through the rest of the market right now.
Okay, now healthcare has done very well today. Broadly speaking, what's your outlook on that sector for this year?
Well, I'm not really strong in the healthcare sector. It has been strong throughout the years here, and usually it kind of acts as a safe haven, so to speak. Over the recent years, it's been outperforming the market in general. So I would assume it would continue to go up with the market and the trend that the market is in right now. And technically, again, we've been trending higher, higher highs, higher lows in the overall market, and we keep putting them in place here. And we're chugging along nicely, and the volume's starting to pick up a little bit here as well.
Okay, and just finally, obviously, earnings season kicks off on Thursday. Are higher earnings likely to boost the market this quarter?
Well, we'll have to see. I mean, I think that's what all the analysts are looking at, and everyone's anticipating what the top line looks like. How's it going to affect the bottom line growth? And we'll see how that starts playing out. Unfortunately, I can't make any specific comments on any companies, being a designated market maker on the floor of New York Stock Exchange, but we'll be all watching that closely to see how that top line growth is affecting the bottom line.
Okay, thank you, Derek. That was Derek Orth from Brendan E. Cryan, and I'm Jane Searle for The Street.